So hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to add movement to your sphere. As you can see, I just have my sphere right here in Unity. This is Unity if some of you don't know, but you have probably seen the thumbnail and the title. Okay, sorry. Let's delete this. This was from my last try. Okay, we have this player and we need to make it move. Let's first go into scripts. If you need a tutorial on camera follow script, you should probably hit the like button. What am I saying? Let's create an C# script. Let's name it player movement. After that, double click on the script and this will open the script in Visual Studio Code. Let's remove the text that we don't need. What am I doing? Let's do this. Put to enter. Then let's put some square brackets. Then type in keyword serial eyes field F. Make sure the words that I am using as capital, you should probably have them capital too. Like in the serialize, I have S capital because C# is cap sensitive. Okay, move on. Let's move on. After that, we just need to do field. Okay, that let's do enter. Then we need to type vector 3 and then we need to space, then type the whatever the name you want the variable to be. I'm doing vForce. Okay, after that let's put a semicolon, save this, enter, put the keyword again. I am just going to copy this and paste it, enter, paste it. So let's do this. Let's come right here, say key code and then say key pause. Pause is for positive. You can write positive or you can name it whatever you want. Okay, press enter again. Let's do key code key neg. Neg means negative. Okay, after that let's save this. Let's go right here into the Unity tab. Let Unity load. It's loading and like as you can see, we do not have any errors. First, I forgot to tell you this step. Drag your player and add that to your player. Drag your player script and then add this to the player. Now, as you can see, we could have done public variables, but that's not the best option. If we will remove this serialize field, we are not going to be able to see the vForce and key pause key neg right here. Then whenever we need to change something, we have to go into Visual Studio Code and change it. So that's why we put the serialize field keyword. I just wanted to tell you guys. Then let's continue. Let's go into void update function. Let's type an if statement. If and then this will autocomplete that. And then let's type if input dot get key, if input dot get key, then put bracket, or some people say this parentheses, then put key code dot key pause. So we put that variable right here, and then let's go right here. Then we need to type get component, and then let's put this HTML sort of tags, the less than and greater than tags. We need to type rigid body, and I will explain this later onwards what this is doing and why are we typing rigid body. We do not need this capital B, just need that. Rigid body dot velocity, we do not need that either. Velocity, why did I put double O's? What am I doing? See, everyone gets errors. I didn't get an error, but I just wanted to tell. Okay, let's put in plus and then an equals to V force. Okay, after we do that, let's put in semicolon and then let's save it. Then if we go right here, let's check if we have an error. Let's see. Here does not inner definition. Okay, let's just see what is happening. Okay, to solve that problem, to solve this error, we need to go into our Visual Studio Code, and we do not need this key code. I forgot that. We will remove this and remove that point also, and if we will save this, we will still see one error, and in that error we need to solve that by putting parentheses, or you can say brackets, after the rigid body thing. Okay, right here. If we will go into Unity again, see there are no errors, it's still loading. Let it load. Okay, now we do not have any errors. And why is it not showing that? Okay, I don't know why, but I somehow removed that. If you saw me removing that, hit that like button, comment to tell me when and why I removed that. Okay, let Unity load a little bit. It will take some time. And after that, we are here. And then let's assign the key positive. See, we have all of the keys. Keypad, numpad, space, return, clear, tab, arrow keys, insert, home. We have all of the keys. So first let's just assign this to right arrow, I guess. Yep, it was right arrow, I remember that now. Okay, then let's just do on the we are customizing the key pause, and let's when we are here, let's click on that add component, and then let's just add rigid body. Make sure to not add rigid body 2D and add normal rigid body, because we are making a 3D game. Okay, after that what we need to do is let's just put it 0.2 or 0.5, I guess, because we are not doing get key down, we are doing get key. Okay, then let's play this and test if our code is working. Unity takes some time to open and load. Okay, if I press the right key, okay, it is actually moving. I don't know in what direction. So this is a tip. I will make a video, or you can see a black keys tutorial about why the screen turns red. Why did I do that? I'm really stupid. Let's play that again. Why Unity turns red? I will just tell them. Because Unity turns red because it's showing you that if you edit something when the play button is down, when it's in the play mode, you cannot edit. Otherwise, when you come out of play mode, the things will not change. If I will do the right key, let's see in what direction it's going. It's actually going in the up direction, so we need to change this to always experiment. I'm just saying that we need to change this to up arrow and the negative to down arrow. Okay, then I should probably do. Okay, then like come right here. We should make it for the down arrow too. Let's copy this, enter, paste this. Okay, why do I have that? Let's remove that. After that, let's just put a minus instead of plus right here. Save this. Go back to Unity. Oh, I forgot to change something else too. I needed to change. Why is it taking time? Okay, let's just set it to key negative, because now we are setting this for key negative. Okay, let's set that to that. Save and come back into Unity. Let's see if we have any errors. I'm trying to make this as simple as possible. As usual, we do not have any errors. Going to project tab, and now we have that. And to remark, I should probably set the scaling to 1 by 1 by 1. Why does not really matter in planes. Okay, this is, you don't need to do this what I am doing right now. I'm just going to show you guys that. Let's play this and let's see if our script is working. Okay, voila, our script is working. Now you can move your sphere. I fall off. And that's how we add a simple movement script. And I also wanted to show you guys one more thing. We can add this script multiple times. If we add this again, what we can do is we can do right arrow and then left arrow, and we can change the X thing with it. X gizmo is other thing. X where it's written X input thing. What am I saying? I don't even know. Let's just set it to 0.5. Let's save this and then let's play this again. We don't need to add some more code for left and right. We can just use this. Now we can move left and right too. Voila! That's amazing. Okay, I fall off again. And that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.